In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find bundle deals in Expedia. We'll walk through the exact path from the homepage to the final price screen so you can spot and secure those flight and hotel savings with confidence. Start by opening Expedia in your browser. On the homepage, you'll see the main travel search area. Click the Flights tab to set up your trip details first. In the From field, enter the place you're leaving from, and in the To field, type your destination. Take a moment to double-check airport names if you see multiple options, since that can affect price and travel time. Next, choose your dates. Use the calendar to pick your departure and return. When you're done, confirm the dates to close the calendar. Now set travelers to match your group, adjusting adults, children, and infants as needed. This is also a good time to verify your cabin class so the bundle reflects the experience you want. Click Search to load results. You'll land on the recommended flights view. Here's the key. Look for the bundle and save prompt tied to eligible itineraries. When you see it, select the option that says Shop Flight Plus Stay. This moves you into the package flow where the savings are applied as you combine a flight with a hotel. You'll now be browsing hotel options for your trip dates. Explore the list, then click into a hotel to open its details page. Review the location, room sizes, amenities, and policies so the selection truly fits your plans. When you're ready, pick a room type that matches your preferences and budget. The room you choose can influence the final bundle price, so choose thoughtfully. After you select your room, you'll be prompted to pick your departing flight. Compare the times, duration, and any layovers, then click Select on the option you prefer. You'll do the same for your returning flight. Review the choices, then click Select to lock it in. With your hotel room and both flights chosen, Expedia will display the package summary. This is where you can clearly see how much you're saving by bundling compared to booking the same item separately. Take a moment to scan the total price, inclusions, and any notes about fare rules or room policies. Prices can vary based on dates, availability, and room type, so it's normal to see the savings change as you adjust options. That's it. You found and built a bundle deal in Expedia, from search to savings. Follow these steps each time you plan a trip to quickly surface package offers and make the most of your travel budget.